Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Quant chart, where you can see at the time of this recording we are still trading above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also managed to lose a key area of support at around the $147.9 mark. We have also fully maximized our target area down here in the formation of this wave 4, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of this wave 5 to the upside, which is an impulsive wave. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next target areas in the formation of that wave 5, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And also allow me to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Quant, after making it to an all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing no prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we started another bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in blue having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $229 mark, and also completing a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave to the upside, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And because the second wave is a corrective wave, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure play out, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2, which also gave us a low in the formation of that second wave at around the $94.4 mark. And after seeing that low in the formation of that second wave, whatever we expected next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And by first sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $397 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And because a larger Elliot wave count 3 is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And I believe we are seeing such a move right here, where you can see that we have peaked in the formation of that first wave, then we have seen the formation of that wave 2, we have also peaked in the formation of this wave 3, and I also believe that we have fully maximized our target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of another bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And before I get further into details in the formation of this wave 5, allow me to first show you that this wave 3 to the upside has also peaked, and also show you the target area that I had in the formation of this wave 4. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $165.7 mark, $0.4 mark, which is the target area that we fully maximized because we made our high at around the $165.5 mark. And that means we have fully peaked in the formation of this wave 3. And after seeing that peak, we started a retracement over here on the charts in what I'm terming as the formation of that wave 4. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that target area lies between the $141.1 mark and the $133.7 mark, which is a target area that we fully maximized, making our low at around the $135.7 mark. And after seeing that low, we have been seeing a bit of a bounce to the upside in what could be the start of the formation of this wave 5. So having in mind that we have done the minimum that we expected in the formation of that wave 4, there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, which is an impulsive wave, where we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 of the fractal wave fully maximizing the formation of this wave 5. And we have an Elliot wave structure that we are obeying, where we can term this as the first wave to the upside, making its peak at around the $159 mark. Then we saw this corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2. Then I'm expecting a wave 3 very soon, before we can expect a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of this wave 5. And zooming in so that I can show you that the second wave has also done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to the lower side to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And after fully maximizing it, whatever I'm expecting next is an explosive move to the upside in the formation of these wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of these wave 3 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $180.6 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of that wave 5, and also fully maximize a larger edge wave count 1 after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upside in red, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the indicators, that is on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 47 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support further movements to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the MACD. Here on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, and that does not fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5, and I hope soon we are going to print a bullish cross to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.